This video covers the sine rule. The sine rule can be used with any type of triangle, not just a right-angled triangle. It can be used if two angles on one side are known to find the other side. It can also be used if two sides of one angle are known. In other cases, you can use the cosine rule instead. Before we look at the sine rule, we need to understand how to label the angles and sides correctly. Each angle is labelled with a capital letter. We use A, B and C. Each side is labelled with a lowercase letter. Again, we use A, B and C. The important thing is that each angle has the same letter as the opposite side. Angle A is opposite side A. Angle B is opposite side B. Angle C is opposite side C. The sine rule formula relates the lengths A and B to the angles A and B. It states that length A divided by the sine of angle A is equal to the length B divided by the sine of angle B. The same applies to A and C. The length A divided by the sine of angle A is equal to the length C divided by the sine of angle C. Also, the length B divided by the sine of angle B is equal to the length C divided by the sine of angle C. We can combine all three formulas and say that A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. We can also flip any of these formulas. For example, sine A over A equals sine B over B. Here is an example. In this case, we know the value of two angles on one side, and we are trying to find the length of another side. Angle B is 60 degrees, and the opposite side is 10 centimeters long. Angle A is 40 degrees, and we want to find the length of the opposite side. We will use the formula A over sine A equals B over sine B. We then substitute the known values, leaving the unknown value A. We can rearrange the formula to find the value of A. Finally, we can use the calculator to find A to three significant figures. Here is another example. In this case, we know the value of two sides and one angle, and we are trying to find the other angle. Angle B is 30 degrees, the opposite side is 5 centimeters long. Side A is 7 centimeters, and we want to find the opposite angle. Since we're trying to find an angle, we will use the inverted form of the sine rule. That is, sine A over A equals sine B over B. We then substitute the known values, leaving the unknown angle A. We can rearrange the formula to find the value of sine A. Finally, we can use a calculator to find A to three significant figures. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please subscribe to my channel or visit graphicmaths.com.